For a century, people will often look up to the sky and think about the wider world. We will see farther through the shoulders of giants. Welcome to Hubsan Zino tutorial series. We will be introducing the panoramic function. Enter the app interface. Tap on Creative Videos, Panorama. Tips. The aircraft needs 6 or more GPS satellites and pass GPS accuracy tests to activate panoramic functions during flight. The system will automatically show the checkbox. Slide the bar to adjust the angle and speed parameters. Angle refers to the angle value of the aircraft's in situ rotation when shooting in panoramic recording. Let's take the rotating 180 degree as an example. Speed refers to speed at which the aircraft rotates in place during panoramic recording. Then select the clockwise or counterclockwise option. Clockwise refers to the aircraft will rotate clockwise during the panoramic recording. Counterclockwise refers to that the aircraft will rotate counterclockwise during panoramic recording. After setting the parameters, tap on the Go button. Then the aircraft will automatically start recording in the hovering position, rotate in place, and capture the panoramic view. Discover a wider world and more beauty. Tap on the stop button to exit and save panoramic photography. Thank you for watching.